generally, when you are learning computer, they normally teach about hardware, software, and the user. So I am the user. This is part of the computer hardware. It is embedded with many components inside here. As you can see, it has the interior and the exterior. So let's begin our journey to see what components are inside here. So we have the supply power port. This is where I put our power cable. So I'm seeing a fan inside here. We also have another fan here. These are analog connectors. As you can see, I have never even used them. So these are the outdated mouse ports. So this is the microphone port, audio port, and this is another audio port. So we have 4 USB ports here and another 2 USB. So this is the LAN connector, LAN port, Ethernet port. Sorry. So we have a VGA for displaying our video outside. When we move to the front, we have the panel here. It is embedded with 2 USB ports and the headphone port. This is the normal headphone jack. So we have the power button. We have a floppy drive here and another floppy drive. We have a CD-ROM and the DVD-ROM where you can place your DVDs and CDs. So that is all about the exterior. Let's go to the inside components right now and see. So as we begin inside components, make sure you already subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button for more content. So we have a nice active here. We have components here on this board. Look, and have components here on this panel and another components down here. Let me begin with the power supply. This is it. So it does a very good job for delivering power to all the components inside here. I'm saying 100% inspection and the date of manufacture. Have cables outside moving from the power supply going all the way to the motherboard and other units. So architecture is designed in a very serious way. So this is the power supply right here. This is a case. Let me open. I'm seeing a fan, a cooling fan. Let me move to the bottom part. Have the exterior connectors that I saw here, and this is an expansion slot. It contains the VGA port for displaying our video. So these other slots are empty, as you can see. They are empty. These are what we call expansion slots. In case you want to connect other output devices or input devices like monitors, graphic cards, and another things that you need, or PS2 ports like for playing games. You can put them and you open here. So this right here is empty. I think something was removed. So let's head to this other side. First of all, we got our 22-pin fiber connectors. They are USB 2.0. So we connect this component to the motherboard. Let me begin with this. This part here. This is the DVD-ROM. Moving downwards, we have the CD-ROM, but they do the same job nonetheless. they get all the tasks done. If you want to copy software, a CD, to write something or to read, they can do a very good job. So they all do the same tasks. Moving downwards, I have the floppy drives. This is it. This is a floppy drive. This is it. This is sample outdated technology of the ports, and I'm saying these are pins for power from the power fibers, and this port, it is a magnetic pin. So these other pins, they connect to the main fiber here that transfers data to the motherboard to and fro. So this is it. This is the fixed floppy drive. I think it has some problem, as you can see. This is the front part and this is the back part. It has some different technology for the connectors. Moving downwards, I have two hard disks here. They are internal hard disks, but I don't think they can compete with the current technology. Let me begin by removing these data fibers, and these are the power supplies of my cable. So as you can see, this is the male and this is the female component. So this is my hard disk. As you can see, this is a very big size. It is even bulky. The bad thing with these hard drives is that any mistake or any shake, any shock, so they just get damaged immediately. So this is it. Let me see. Quantum series. So it has 8.4 GB. 8.4 GB. Just imagine 8.4 GB. This big thing. This is, I think, wastage of space. So this is the second hard drive. I'm saying it's slightly thinner than the first hard drive. They have these drives consume a lot of power. Let's look for the size. It has 20 GB HD. So I can't imagine 20 GB only such a thing. So we're done with this part. So these are the components inside here. Fix this thing properly. As you can see, this one is slightly thinner than this. So let's go to the front panel. So this is the front panel that contains the USB ports at the front. We also have the fiber cable running from there to the motherboard. So let's get to the base of our systems unit. At the base, there are a lot of components here. They are complex. I'm saying we've got the motherboard and the central processing unit, the CPU chip. So let's begin with this screen fan. This is the CPU fan. This is the motherboard right here. It has very wide dimensions. As you can see, the tower is too big. So first of all, we've got the primary connectors. These are the primary connectors, and we've got the secondary connectors. So these are the secondary connectors. We've got the expansion slots for the RAM. So this is my piece of RAM. Let me see. This is it. Made in Korea. So this chip is 256 MB DDR1 in fact. So this is my piece of RAM. This tower is expandable to only 4 GB of RAM. That is why there are 4 slots here. Each slot can handle a maximum of 2 GB, 1 GB, sorry, making a total of 4 GB. So this is it. We've got the Cmos battery here. This is the Cmos battery that tells our time. That is why the computer keeps on telling time and date. So this is the motherboard right here. It has a lot of capacitors. These are capacitors and transistors. So moving to the corner here, we've got this is a thin metal aluminum fin. These are cooling fins for driving out our heat from the CPU. Let's go ahead and see where the CPU is. So this is our pure metal here. This is aluminium, and right here you can see. So this is our CPU. I successfully removed it without damaging it. So this is an Intel Pentium 4 processor. It has only 1 core. There are some ratings here. They cannot be seen. So this is our processor. In case you lose this processor, it is very expensive to get. So this is the brain of the computer, the chief brain. It has components inside here. I'm seeing transistors at the bottom here. So this is the main part of the computer. So there is a flux here that makes contact with the film such that these metals don't combine. In fact, in case they combine, there may be some problem. So these are the receivers. So these are also ports from the power. These are power connectors from the power supply. So in case of poor connection, this CPU cannot turn on. You can't get the Windows logo display on the computer. And in case of any problems, there are indicator lights behind here that indicate each bulb. There are 4 bulbs, 4 LED bulbs. Each indicates a problem. In case there is a problem, they turn to orange. In case the booting sequence goes on well, that means everything is connected properly. So get ready for tuning in. How to connect the components of the computer systems unit. So that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the hardware components, and by the way, subscribe for more videos.